Hello, my name is Michele Eddy. I am a court reporter. I am providing this presentation on behalf of the Virginia Court Reporters Association, also known as VCRA. Go to vcra.net for more information about our organization. Using a steno machine, I can take the spoken word and put it into text simultaneously and write at speeds of upwards of 225 words per minute. Much faster than typing, isn't it? It's because I'm writing words, not typing letters of words. So let me show you what I do as a professional court reporter. I'm going to move my camera so you can see my steno machine where I'm writing words, not typing letters. And here it is. You can see the back of it. And there's a tripod here holding it up. So it sits right in front of my lap so that I'm comfortable putting my hands here on the keys. These are 2 rows of keys. And here's a small row down here. These are consonants. These are all the letters of the alphabet, and these are our vowels. We put our hands in the middle of the keys so that we can press one finger up, one finger down, or put a finger in the middle to press more than one key at a time. And I can do that with all the keys at the same time if I want. One key here, press in the middle. So I am pressing keys down to make words. So let me demonstrate a simple word. Stop, S-T-O-P. This is my S with my pinky, T with my ring finger, O with my thumb, and P with my middle finger. And now I can write the word stop, S-T-O-P. Or I can write the word start, S-T-A-R-T. Start. So by pressing more than one key at a time, I'm actually writing a word. That's just a simple demonstration of what we do. We write words so that it can be instantaneously turned into text. So now I'm going to share my screen with you, my software program. And as you can see, I was writing the words that I was saying to you, start and stop. This is a software program that's very advanced and it's very techy and can do lots of things, but just simply today I'm demonstrating how I can write as I speak. So you can see what I am writing on the screen. Isn't that cool? Again, just a simple demonstration of what I do, writing words instantaneously. And this is done in a profession. For instance, what most of us can identify with is closed captioning on TV. That is more than likely a court reporter at home, streaming the text of what they're writing from listening to what's happening on TV through the web into the TV station to be captioned on TV for the hearing impaired. So are you wondering, how do I become a court reporter? Well, there's specialized schools for this, and there's colleges who offer this curriculum. It takes approximately 2 to 3 years to complete. Depends on your aptitude and how much you practice. You basically learn the theory. It takes about a year to learn the theory of the keyboard. And then it takes another year or more, possibly, depends, again, how much time you put into it, to gain speed in order to be fast at it, because we speak very quickly. More than likely, we speak about 180 words per minute. That's probably about what I'm speaking at right now. But sometimes people get excited and speak a lot faster than that, upwards of 240 words per minute. And we have to be able to write that spoken word so that it can be put into text instantaneously. So just a little bit about the profession of court reporting. You can, right out of school, after you've learned how to master the steno machine, become a captioner. You work for an agency that provides the captions for the TV stations, or you could be a freelance court reporter where you work for a court reporting agency that their clients are lawyers who hire them to take testimony of witnesses who are testifying about any number of subjects. It could be the car accident that happened down the street. It could be about a medical procedure that went wrong. It could be a scientist or a chemist who is speaking about the technology of a drug that they've created. So that's done in a deposition environment, or it can be done in the court of law in front of a judge. And after some time, after you've become accustomed to the field and have put some years of service under your belt, you can aspire to be an official court reporter in the federal court system or in the state court system. Or you could go to Washington, D.C. and aspire to become a Senate reporter or a reporter in the House of Representatives. Yes, those are people who do what I'm doing, taking down testimony of their congresspeople or the senators in the Senate and creating the congressional record. So there's a lot to do with our profession. There's a lot of opportunities. You can be a court reporter for a deaf student or hearing impaired person in college, for instance, who needs the assistance of our skills in order to hear and see really what's being said by a professor. So it's a great, great career that I love dearly. You'll use all of the education that you learn in school because you have to learn, you have to know how to read and write. Obviously, I've just shown you that. You have to know how to spell well, and really to be successful in this career, having a good knowledge of the English language is very important. It's imperative that you spell well and that you understand grammatics, how to put sentences together. To learn more about this great profession, go to ncra.org, look for the tab that says Learn Steno, and you can take a free A to Z class that shows you the basics. It takes about 2 hours once a week for a few weeks to just learn the basics of what we do on our steno machine. They'll provide you a steno machine, and again, it's free. Or you could go to projectsteno.com, where you can find more information about steno and take a free class there as well. They'll provide you the steno machine, the curriculum. It's an online class. It's a great way to get your feet wet. ncra.org or projectsteno.com. Check us out. We'd love to see you come into the profession. There's lots of job opportunities, and have a great day.